everyone, this is going to be my entrance into Claire Mason's making it out of the woods tealight challenge. A while ago I was gifted a single pine bed that was beyond repair basically, so I think this would make a great little tealight holder, or maybe even two. I might push for two. They're going to be quick and dirty because we're in the middle of a complete reshuffle at the workshop, and that was my garage door for anybody who may know my channel. So I'm going to crack on with it and see how we get on. Okay, first things first, it looks like the top comes away, it's only doweled, so I think that is going to make a very nice little tealight holder. I also think that this could be a double tealight holder. Let's see if it pans out, shall we? There you go, squash the dowel in the vise. Oh, that was nice and easy. Obviously not been glued in. Happy days. And then we're going to take it over to the drill press. Okay, we've got ourselves a 40mm Forstner bit because that will fit these comfortably, which are battery operated tea lights, and if it fits those it will definitely fit these, which are normal tea lights. Let's get it in the drill. Now I'm just eyeing this up. Like I said, it's going to be quick, it's going to be dirty. Whenever you say something's going to be quick and dirty, it very rarely is quick, but it's always dirty. I think that will be suffice. Suffice to say, that is spot on. Lovely jubbly. Right, there we go. It just goes to show you, you don't need a plethora of expensive tools to make these things. A little bit of imagination and repurposing. Now, next. Now I'm not going anywhere near that thing because I've lifted the guard up out of the way so you can see. Otherwise this guard isn't particularly clear. You can't see a thing through it. You wouldn't see what was happening. I think about there will do nicely. Now we've got the bit I like. This is the messy bit, but I do like this. Trick is to brush with the grain because you're pulling away the softer part. I don't know how well you can see that, but I'm going to go ahead and give that another blast in because I want it to be deeply etched in. Go ahead and give that another brush. Like I say, the trick is always go with the grain. You're not scrubbing at it, you just let the brush do the work. Right, now to pop some tea light holes in it. Okay, it transpires that the top of this is 168, which means 84 will be the middle, which means if we do the middle of that, that will be 42. The answer to life and everything. Don't take my word for it. The hitchhiker said so. Arg, arg. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Available in all good stores. Right, there we go. And 42 from there. There we go. What is the middle of that? The middle of that is 64. So 32. So we want it to be about there. Excuse the use of my electrical screwdriver, but I haven't got my bradawl handy. I know where nothing is in this garage at the moment, in this workshop. Right. There we go. Now then, what we need now is something to make these babies pop. So I'm going to give them a light coating of just ordinary car sharp clear lacquer. They won't need much more than that. And a couple of coats should suffice. The first coat, they will just suck it straight in. Now I don't want them too shiny. but now the shine's on them, if I zoom you in, you can see that grain.